Today we're doing a reverse ink drop resin bowl. So there's a little sneak peek, and happy Memorial Day, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's go. So this is a pretty easy technique. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to drop your alcohol inks, and I'm using like Peacock colors. And you're just going to drop your alcohol inks into your mold. I do get a little messy with this, but I was just trying to get the colors in different areas. And as long as you're separating out your colors, it really doesn't matter as long as you're getting your colors in there, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my resin and pour it right in the middle. And I'm sorry my hand is in the way that you can't see. But I'll move it here in just a second, and you'll get to watch it as it pulls to the middle. And hopefully we got enough colors in there. So as this was pulling into the center, it kind of looked off to the one side. So I took a stir stick and I gave a little twirl to try and pull it back into the center. And then we're going to leave this sit for 5 hours. I believe it took 5 hours. And then we're going to unmold it, and we're going to put it into a glass bowl that I have sitting off to the side. And I thought I filmed it taking it out of the bowl, because after I took it out of the bowl, I bend it more and put some tape on it. But apparently I did not film that, so I am so sorry about that. So here I am getting it into the bowl. Does take a little bit of work, but it does fit in there perfectly. And then I leave that sit overnight, and the next morning I popped it out of the bowl, and I kind of squished the sides in and taped it. And then, so here we are the next day untaping it. I did let it sit another whole day, taped like that. And so now I'm untaping it to see what shape we got. And I'm pretty happy with it. And now I'm going to get out one of my Let's Resin Chrome markers in copper. I'm just going to put that on the edges. And then I'm going to have to let that dry. And after it dries, I come back and do a second coat. And I'm not going to make you watch that. And then I'll show you the end results here in just a minute. We'll end it with some surfers, and happy Memorial Day, and thank you for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye-bye.